Do you guess it? And no, it's not about Mercury, despite being the planet closest to our star. They say Venus is Earth's evil twin, and it's no wonder. The temperature of this planet is the highest in the solar system, despite being the second planet closest to the Sun and one of Earth's immediate neighbors. Bearing the name of the Roman goddess of love and beauty, its environment is anything but a peaceful paradise. It's more like a hellish realm with average temperatures of 463 degrees Celsius, which vary, both in maximums and minimums, from chilly -45 degrees Celsius to scorching highs of 500 degrees Celsius. Many billions of years ago, Venus ceased being a world with temperate climates, abundant water, and blue skies. Yes, like a second Earth, but that was during a time when the solar system was still very young. After that brief period, the planet, situated around 108 million kilometers from the Sun, or rather, its atmosphere filled with carbon dioxide and sulfuric acid, paved the way for a planet with a massive greenhouse effect, trapping heat and causing surface temperatures to soar. Venus's atmosphere is composed of nearly 96% carbon dioxide with a small amount of water vapor. Its greenhouse effect is truly devastating. Isn't Mercury the hottest? On Mercury, due to its proximity to the Sun, temperatures rise above 400 degrees Celsius during the day. However, as we can see, they don't surpass Venus's figures, despite Mercury being closer to our star. All of this is due to the strong greenhouse effect that occurs on a large scale throughout the planet. Venus's extreme temperature also means the planet has a highly hostile surface. Venus's surface is hot enough to melt lead. Everything is covered in craters, mountains, and vast plains of hardened lava, suggesting Venus was geologically active in the past. However, the surface is also shrouded in thick clouds of sulfuric acid, obscuring the view of the surface in visible light. Despite its harsh conditions, it's worth mentioning that the air pressure is 90 times greater than on Earth. It would crush you instantly if you managed to arrive there. Venus remains one of the most studied planets in our solar system, and scientists continue to explore the planet in search of answers to some of the most fundamental questions about our universe. Will we return to Venus? It seems so. NASA announced not just one, but 2 space missions that will reach the planet around 2031. The date was delayed due to personnel needs for other strategic missions. This will be through the VERIT, a mission, Venus Emissivity, Radio Science, INSAR Topography, Spectroscopy, led by NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory, JPL, with the goal of searching for water and volcanic activity on Venus. Additionally, there's DAVINC Deep Atmosphere Venus Investigation of Noble Gases, Chemistry and Imaging, scheduled for the early next decade, which will study the planet with a spacecraft flying over it and a descent probe. The hottest planets in the solar system. Venus average of 463 degrees Celsius. Mercury average of 400 degrees Celsius. Earth average of 16 degrees Celsius. Mars average of -28 degrees Celsius. And the hottest in the universe. Outside of our neighborhood, the hottest planet in the universe is KELT 9b. This exoplanet, a gas giant 2.8 times more massive than Jupiter, but half as dense, and located 670 light-years away from Earth, has a surface temperature of 4,300 degrees Celsius. According to NASA's Jet Propulsion Laboratory at the California Institute of Technology, it's so hot that it tears apart the hydrogen molecules in its atmosphere.